Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to alter table in Microsoft SQL Server. The alter command in SQL Server is used to make modifications in an existing table. These alterations can be adding a column, deleting a column, changing the size, modifying the data type, adding or removing indexes, and adding or deleting constraints in a table. This video will explain all the alterations possible in a table with various examples. Now, let's begin. Let's say for this particular table, this employees table, we want to add a new column. Let's show the columns that are there first. Can you see? We have 5 columns in this table, in this employees table. Let's say we want to add another table, which is called phone number. We have 5 columns in this table. Let's say we want to add another column called phone number. So to do this, we use the alter function. So first, go by typing alter table, then call the name of the table, which is what? Employees. Alter table, name of the table, which is what? Employees. Add phone number. So then we go by then the data type. So we now specify whether we need a null values or not. Here we put null. So first we alter table, that is the name of the table, that is employees. Add the new column, which is what? Phone number. Then data type. Then null, whether I want null values or not. So close it. So let's execute this our code. For us to show this, go by typing this again. Can you see? A new column has been Can you see a new column has been added, which is what? Phone number. Now let's say we want to drop this particular column, want to remove it on the table. So all we need to do is what? Alter table again. Name of the table, which is what? Employees. So alter table, employees, drop column. What is the name of the column? Phone number. So close it. Can you see? Alter table, the name of the table, which is what? Employees. Drop column, which is what? Phone number. So let's show this for us to confirm if we have successfully moved the column or not. Can you see? The column has been removed. We can as well use the alter function to add a constraint. Let's say we want to add the primary key to the ID column. To do this, we go by typing alter table. What's the name of the table? Employees. So add constraint. There are different types of constraints. We have the what? The primary key, the foreign key, the unique, not null, check, and default. So here we want to use the primary key, we want to add it as what? On the what? The ID column. Here we want to add primary key on the ID column. So you go by typing alter table, name of the table, which is what? Employees. Add a constraint. So type primary key. Can you see that? So we add constraint, primary key. Can you see that? Let's execute our code. So we successfully added a primary key to the ID column. Let's confirm this from here. Can you see there's a sign here, a key sign. This represents primary key. Another way to add a primary key to a column is by right clicking on this place here, can you see? Remove primary key. Can you see? To add it, set primary key. Can you see that? Thank you for watching this video.